You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Welcome to episode 5 of our Microsoft Intune series. Today we are diving into application management, one of the most important and frequent tasks for any IT admin. We'll walk through the types of application you can manage, how to push application to users, and ways to monitor and troubleshoot some deployment issues. So let's get started. Now, application management in Intune is all about delivering the right application to the right device, securely and at scale. It's not just installing application though. It's about updating them, protecting the data inside those applications, and removing them when they are no longer needed or when the device is lost. Here's what it involves: installing application, whether corporate or public, controlling who gets which application, protecting work data inside the application, monitoring installation success, and troubleshooting the failures. Now, here Intune supports a variety of application types across multiple platforms. Let's break them down. The first category is the store application, which is public application from Microsoft Store, the Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. These are managed via Managed Google Play account or Apple's VPP for iOS devices. Then the next category is LOB apps. LOB means line of business application. Now, these are internal application your organization builds with the help of custom tools. For example, you can upload the application packages which your company made for ticketing system or for timekeeping or etc. Now, these applications can be made into an extension of .msi, .apk for Android, or .ipa for your iPhone or Apple ecosystem. Then the next category is Win32 Apps. These are complex desktop applications like .exe or .msi files that requires packaging into a .IntuneWin format using Microsoft packaging tool, which is free to use though. And the last category is the web application. These are essentially just a web link that appears as application with icons on your home screen. No installation is required, just a lightweight shortcut, which appears as if it is the application on your screen. You just click it, and it just takes you to the web page. Now, once you add an application, then you decide how users get it. There are 3 deployment options here. The first one is required. If you select required, then the application automatically installs on the target devices. This is great for essential tools like antivirus or VPN client, which you want every device to have. The next selection is available. If you select available, here the application shows up in the company portal for users to then decide to install it on demand. This is perfect for optional or self-service application. And the last category is uninstall. If you select uninstall, it removes the application from the target device. This is very handy when you are cleaning up your retired software or for housekeeping purposes. Now, beyond installation of these applications, Intune also helps protect data inside application, even on unmanaged device. Remember, in unmanaged device, you still have your work profile. That's where app protection policies comes in. App protection policy can also be referred as APP. Now, this policy can control how data moves, like restricting the clipboard usage, that is copy and paste, or it also restricts to save files, let's say on the device. It can also ask user to require a PIN or biometric authentication to access application. It can also selectively wipe corporate data if a device is lost or removed from management. For example, Outlook on a BYOD phone might be blocked from saving attachment to your personal storage, so that your corporate data and corporate bubble stays separate from your personal bubble. Now, who exactly gets the application? Here you assign application to your Azure Entra ID user groups. These can be user-based or device-based. The groups can be user-based or device-based. Many administrators use dynamic groups in this place to automatically target devices, like all iOS devices collected in one group and all Android devices in a separate group. So for Windows as well. You can also use filters to narrow down targets, like installing an application only on devices with operating system version 14 or up, or only on, let's say, Samsung devices for Android ecosystem. Now, combining groups and these filters gives you a very precise control over deployment and assignment. Now, after deployment, Intune also provides tools to track success ratio and also fix problems. Now, where to look? Well, you will go to the Monitor tab inside each app or application. Shows install success and failure rates. You will find this in Intune portal. If you go under Devices, then click on Managed Application. There you can see which applications are installed on a particular device. The Intune Troubleshooting Blade also lets you view per user install status, errors, and compliance details. Some common issues include device not syncing, incorrect group assignments, or packaging error with IntuneWin files. Maybe that file is corrupted. So in that case, you may have to repackage it. The major note here is that you should always run a pilot program for app deployment with your sandbox or in a small environment before rolling out company-wide deployments. So create a sandbox environment, test your deployment first. If it works properly, the chances are it will work for the whole company. Now that wraps up application management in Intune. Here we covered application types, deployment methods, targeting them to a specific user or device, and also we learned about monitoring. In the next episode, we will explore configuration and compliance policies, how to enforce settings and keep your devices secure. If you found this video helpful, please press that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.